Hey guys, this is a product review for this RMR mold and mildew spray combo. So this is the disinfectant, cleaner, and fungicide, so it makes it totally disinfected, and you spray that on first. But this one takes care of the stains. So you do this one first, and then you do this one and rinse it. And I'll just show you, I have this little foot bath that got kind of gross, and I already sprayed it with the disinfectant, but it still has stains. So I'll just give it a spray here, and hopefully you'll see some changes happening. It's supposed to be just 15 seconds, you start to see it. Do you see it getting whiter? I can see it. It does smell like chlorine really intensively. That might be the main ingredient. It smells kind of like the Y. It's very, very strong. And I can see it starting to make it whiter. And then I'm just gonna pour this on top. So you can see it did make a difference. I'm gonna do like a couple rounds, let it sit on there. But it does work. You just have to let it sit on there for a little while. And lighten things up. These are some pretty like nasty stains. They've been here for a while. But I wanted to make a really authentic video for you guys, even though this is pretty gross. It was just like, just got like this over time, not even being used. It just got kind of manky. I think you can see it getting whiter and whiter. You know, I would do a few rounds, let it dry. I'm trying to make this video like nice and quick for you guys, but I think you can see, yeah, it's just getting lighter and lighter. You can definitely see the stains there. So I'm going to spray it and let it sit, and I'm certain this will get like pristine. This was just a couple minutes of showing you how it changed. You know, you can see quite a bit has whitened up here, but it's just going to like obliterate. And I know because I have another old-fashioned tub and I did this with that. So this stuff, I highly recommend it, but just, you know, you want to be taking like 20 minutes to do the job instead of just a couple minutes for a review video. But that's what it's like. This disinfects and this works on stains, so it's fantastic if you have a little area, especially in the bathroom, that needs some work. This is great for it.